back now on Triad Today, and always glad we can spend a few minutes with some of the good folks from Alamance Community College, which of course the folks over there know that there are a lot of industries out there that they support and help people train for, and agriculture is one of them, and we have a gentleman who knows all about that. Jerry Hackney's Department Head of Agricultural Sciences at Alamance Community College. Good to see you.
Good to be here.
Now, remind us what this Covington Education Center is all about, because you sent me an email about it. Tell me about it.
Okay, so back in 2019, the college received an anonymous donor, acquired for us 47 acres. And
Okay.
It was named after Bill and Nancy Covington, and it was their desire to keep it an agricultural teaching lab.
Cool.
So we have been working on that farm, developing it, and having classes start to meet out there. And we're honoring their wishes by making it an agricultural teaching facility.
I just think that's great. What kind of things, somebody's watching this and say, hey, Jerry, what kind of things do you teach? I mean, is it just, how to plant seeds, or is it how to understand the science of things? Or give me some kind of impression of where you're going with it.
So where we're headed with it, we see it as a teaching facility where people will have experience and knowledge in small vegetable production, some small crop production. We'll have large animals on site. We currently have meat animals on site. We have meat chickens and turkeys. We are getting ready to have meat rabbits. So our plan is it's going to be a very diverse. Horticulture uses it. There's going to be some horticulture facilities on the property, such as turf plots, irrigation plots, nursery plots. So it's very broad, but it touches a lot of areas in agriculture.
Why do you think, let me put you on the spot, why is this the center and what you're doing with it so unique? I mean, are there a lot of centers like this around the state?
There aren't. And I think we will probably be one of few, if not the only facility like this in the community college system, for us to have that large of a facility to utilize.
Right.
There are some other schools that have, some agricultural facilities, but I'm not aware of anyone that has 47 acres that is dedicated just to the agricultural industry.
I think you also mentioned in an email that you sent me that we were talking about future plans, so I want to ask you, what are the future plans? But I was also struck by the thing that I believe I was reading between the lines, that you're trying to do something with vet techs too.
Yes, we are. So we have been working, myself and other people as well, securing funding so that we can develop the farm. We do have a master plan that we're working off of. We do have a vet tech program that will open in fall of 25. The farm will be key to that operation taking place. But vet tech does require some special needs, and so we had to have specialized facilities. So we received the Gold Leaf Grant, which is going to help us to establish a large animal teaching barn.
That's just great, because there's such a shortage of vet techs.
Especially in the large animal industry.
Yeah.
Because most of your vet tech programs cater specifically to smaller animals.
Right.
We still have to cover 17 species, but we will have a large animal facility on site, and we'll have large animals on site 12 months out of the year.
But before time gets away, I want to make sure I'm clear on something. Now, this is a 2-year program, right?
Yes, it is.
All right. But now, here we are taking the program in the fall. Is there a certain time you have to register by to get involved in the ag program and the things you're doing at the center?
You can apply at any point in time for ag programs. Vet tech will be a little bit different because it is limited entry, and so those applications will be available in the spring. But if it's an ag student wanting to pursue horticulture or ag programs or animal care, they can apply at any time.
All right. Up on screen, Alamance CC, of course, stands for Community College.edu. That's AlamancecC.edu. Jerry, I hope you come back sometime and keep us updated on what's going on with the department.
I'll be glad to.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.